welcome back. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. So I am really pumped for this video because, as you can see from the description or the title down below, this is something new to our channel, and it is a mystery makeup or skincare box. This is actually from an Etsy site, Crafted by Chloe, and she offers mystery makeup, skincare. You can choose, it's a mystery box. You can choose makeup, you can choose skincare, you can choose surprise me, you can choose, I think, even like nail buff. There's a couple different selections. She does have different sizes. The fun box, which is the one that she did very kindly send to me to share with you guys, is $20. She has a box that is $35, $50, $75, so it just depends on what you're wanting to spend. And I can't wait to get in here and see. I did go with the skincare if I did not say that. I will put a link to her Etsy shop down below, so definitely head over and check it out. If you like mystery stuff, you know, I definitely think that mystery stuff is obviously really fun. I mean, I know with subscription boxes, sometimes that's a chance, or it is what we get, but at the same time, a true mystery box, really having no idea other than knowing that there is some skincare in here, I have no clue. So we're gonna open this up and see. I do want to remind you guys we have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so don't forget to head over and enter if you have not already. That link will be down below. And as always, again, thank you for being here. I do appreciate it. But if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our YouTube family. We would love to have you. Also, please do give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and leave a comment about your day, what you think of the video. Just let me know your thoughts. I love hearing from you guys. So we're gonna get our box cutter and we're going to get in here. I can't wait. So like I said, this is the $20 fun box. This is, and like I said, I went with skincare. So let's see what we got. All right, so when I open it, this is what I'm seeing right here. Crafted by Chloe. She does other things, obviously, besides like the makeup or skincare boxes. She has other things on her site. It just says, "Hey Nikki, thanks for featuring this mystery box from Crafted by Chloe. I appreciate you sharing it with your subscribers, and I hope that you enjoy opening it as much as I did making it. Thanks." Okay, so looks like we have a sheet here, which I actually really appreciate. So it breaks down and tells us what we got in here and the pricing, which is super fantastic. I love when you know pricing, and to get that in like a mystery box like this, that is not that common, and I can really appreciate that. That is a fantastic touch. So awesome. We're off to a great start. So this is what we see. So we're just going to peel the tissue paper back. And then, oh, we have like, it's all wrapped up and yay. So, okay. So I am going to start with this first item right here, wrapped up in pink. Oh, I've actually seen this. This is the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cooldown Mist. Performance formula, sweat resistant, won't clog pores. And let's see. Again, I do love, you know, e.l.f. is cruelty free. It says, this refreshing facial mist nourishes skin with replenishing ingredients and helps cool you down post-workout. Used to set makeup or throughout the day to hydrate and maintain that just got out of yoga glow. The breathable performance formula is sweat resistant and won't clog pores to keep up with the active beauty lover. And it says you can wear under or over makeup and use throughout the day. Hold nozzle a few inches away from your face and keep eyes closed and spritz. It says hashtag play beautifully. So this is obviously full size, so I am super excited about this. Like I said, I've seen this on their website and I've wondered, you know, especially being summertime and sweaty and active, about this product. So I'm super pumped that this was in here. So let's see what it says here on the card. e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cooldown Mist. Retail value is $8. And then it actually breaks down over here. If I had paid the $20, it breaks it down that my cost would have been $4.08. So half price. That's awesome. I'm really excited about that. I love facial mists. Like, I love them. All right, and then we have something here in purple, but I can kind of see e.l.f., so I'm wondering if it goes with it. This is the e.l.f. Active Workout Ready Hydration Stick. Right here. Infused with natural skin hydrants like shea butter, cocoa butter, aloe, and grapeseed oil for an instant boost of cooling hydration. This breathable performance formula is sweat resistant, won't clog pores to keep up with the active beauty lover. Twist up the stick and glide onto skin like the face, hands, or elbows with upwards motions. Blend with your finger. So what exactly? Workout ready. So I guess it's just like if you need hydration on the go, kind of like a moisturizer, I'm guessing. If you guys know, let me know down below in the comments. But this, again, I'm super excited to have. And that also has a retail value of $8. e.l.f. Active Workout Ready Hydration Stick, $8. And again, it said face, hands, or elbows. So I'm thinking it is kind of like a moisturizer. So that is awesome. And now, oh, I love that she did this. And I did notice on the back of one of these cards that she had said that one of the items contains walnut. So just a heads up in case you have an allergy, it is wrapped in green. And then she still put a note here. This warning, this item contains walnut. So I love that if you have an allergy, she is conscious and proactive in letting you know, hey, stop. This has such and such in it, so let's see what it is. But I think that is awesome. Oh, this is this says new, and I have not seen this before. This is from St. Ives Exfoliate and Nourish Apricot Oil Scrub. Soft, smooth, and radiant skin made with 100% natural exfoliants. Instantly reveals skin's natural radiance. It is dermatologist tested and paraben free. It says suitable for all skin types, paraben free, dermatologist tested, does not contain animal ingredients, made with 100% natural exfoliants, non-comedogenic. I can never say that word. It says, please shake this product before use. Dispense product into hands and massage over dry skin. Add water and continue massaging to emulsify. Oil will turn milky white. Rinse thoroughly. For best results, use 3 to 4 times a week. Our new luxurious apricot oil scrub made with 100% natural exfoliants and pure grapeseed oil perfectly combines the power of our iconic apricot scrub with the gentle nourishment of a cleansing oil for smooth, radiant skin. And I do remember before I really got into skincare and like all of that, my go-to was the St. Ives apricot scrub. So I am actually excited to give this a try, the oil scrub, and then, knowing that it'll emulsify and all of that, and it's something, because it is a high level exfoliation product, just a couple of times each week. But there is the item. And again, full size. I'm loving that each item is full size. That is fantastic. So that St. Ives Exfoliate and Nourish Apricot Facial Oil Scrub, $7.99. So all three so far, my cost would have been $4.08. So we're looking at half price. So that is fantastic. And we still have a couple of items. We have this guy right here wrapped up in this really pretty paper. I'm liking this. I'm liking the combination of items. I'm really liking. Get into this one. There we go. All right, so we have from Yes to Coconut, Hydrate and Restore Ultra Hydrating Facial Mask. Yes to virgin coconut and avocado oils to treat super thirsty skin. It's paraben free and it is 96% natural. And let's see. Yes to Coconut naturally derived formulations combine oil from the hydrating fatty acid rich coconut fruit and other non-greasy moisturizers to help smooth, dry, cracked skin. Use the entire collection to hydrate and help restore skin to its natural gorgeousness. So this again has coconut and the avocado oil. Apply a generous layer of mask over cleansed skin. Let dry for 5 to 10 minutes while you dream of tropical paradise. Gently remove with a warm, damp cloth and apply Yes to Coconut Facial Souffle Moisturizer for the ultimate hydration. And again, I do love this because this is a cruelty-free brand. So, yay for this facial mask. And then we have one more product, and that facial mask right there is $11.99. Yes to Coconut Ultra Hydrating Facial Mask, $11.99. My price would have been $6.12. So again, right at half price. And this final product here is from Shea Moisture Youth Infusing Mud Mask, valued at $2.99. My price $1.52. And I have actually used this before. I do like this. My best friend and I did like a girls' night and we did these masks. This has the kukui nut and grapeseed oils, youth infusing mud mask with olive leaf extract and avocado oil for aging skin. And this is, again, cruelty-free. It's organic, all of that great stuff. So I love that. I love Shea Moisture. I love their brand. So I'm super happy with that. I think this actually was really fantastic. Now, again, she did send this to me for review, so thank you so much, Chloe, for sending this to me. I do greatly appreciate it. This would have been $20 had I paid for it. I definitely do believe the value is there. We got this mud mask. We got the Yes to Coconut full-size facial mask here. Obviously, that's, multiple uses. The St. Ives full size, and it's a new product, Exfoliate and Nourish Apricot Oil Scrub right here. And then the e.l.f. Active Workout Ready Hydration Stick and the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cooldown Mist. So, I definitely think that this absolutely was worth that. I mean, just these two products alone right here value at like $16. So if you were to go to the website, you probably have to pay shipping. So just these two right here would be the box plus the other items. And again, I love the mystery aspect of this. So I'm super excited. I definitely think it is a great box. Like I said, I will put a link down below. Go check out her Etsy site. Again, you can choose for skincare, you can choose for makeup, you can choose nail, surprise me. So she's got a great thing going. So definitely check her out. So again, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.